Hey guys, 𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸 here. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited that you're here because I'm going to talk to you about a program called $25 One Up. And $25 One Up is an instant pay program that allows you to put instant commissions into your pocket. You can use those instant commissions to do whatever you want. You can pay bills with it. You can, you know, leverage up into higher, tier programs. You can use that money to offset traffic if you already have a primary business, or auto ships, which is another reason why a lot of people fail in online marketing. They have way too many expenses and not enough cash flow. So this helps with the cash flow problem that people have in their personal life and also in their businesses. So I am passionate about this program, man. I'm telling you, it's been okay, I hate to say this, I've never fallen in love with the program. I may have fallen in love with, like, because I initially came from lotions, potions, and pills type programs, and I may have fallen in love with some of the products in the company, but I never fell in love with a company before, or an opportunity. And I'm telling you, I love this. Why? Because I love the energy that's around. I love, the fact that I can get instant pay, and I love the fact that I don't have to change to chase chump change commissions, that I can get what I want and what I need in my life, which is high commissions or mid-tier to high commissions. And I can get a tribe of people who are doing something purpose driven, working and building something. And that's what I'm excited about. I'm excited about positioning. I'm excited about earning what I'm worth and positioning other people to do the same. And yeah, so let's jump right into um, the commission levels, and then I'll kind of take you behind and kind of show you the system, and then I'll talk to you. I'll show you some proof. Uh-oh, I'm not sure what just happened. Oh, okay. I was like, what just happened here? All right, so this program, there's several levels. The levels that my team comes in at are Platinum 125, and there's a $10 admin fee, so the whole price comes out to 135. You never have to pay that again. So that's another reason why I like this program, is because for a one-time investment, okay, for a one-time investment, you can be in profit mode. You're not bleeding fees every month in auto ships and monthly fees and so on and so forth. All right, so the first level is Platinum. All right, let's just type that out, Platinum. All right, let's make that a little bit bigger so everybody can see that. Boom, you can't miss that. That's big. All right, $135, and you can get started. Now, what does that position you to do? It positions you to start earning 125. Let's highlight that, 125, and it positions you to earn $25 level commissions, which is the level underneath. So I guess whoa, let's make that red. Okay, so it positions you to get that commission level, and there is a level underneath, which is called gold. And at that level, you can earn $25 commissions. But nobody on my team comes in at anything less than platinum. Why? Because I'm going to show you in a little while. I put together some bomb resources for my team. And, here's the thing. I struggled in the online space for a long time, trying to figure out why the hell I couldn't make at least $1,000 a month. Here's why. When I was doing lotions, potions, and pills, even though I was retailing good, the average commission take home was that, right? Why would, if you had to, let's say your goal was to make five, you got to think common sense. You just wanted to make $500 a week. You only needed like 3 of these, right? Okay, boom. Three or 4. Okay, boom. You made, right? How many of these would you have to retail or sell to even bring home 500? So you position yourself smart, just smart business moves, because this is a business. This is a business. This is not a get rich scheme. This is a business. So think like a business person. Would you want a product in your store that pays you 125, or would you want a product in your store that pays you 25? I want a product that pays me 125. All right. So platinum is where everybody on my team positions. So the next level is diamond. All right. Now at this level, it's $250. There's a $25 admin fee. And at that level, you position yourself Oh wait, that's not 24. 24 is 25. All right, at that level, you position yourself to get $250 commissions, 125 and platinum. So you earn, you're eligible to get commissions at the level that you join at and every level underneath, depending on where someone comes in at your digital store. All right, let's get to the last level. The last level is enterprise. All right, the enterprise level is where I'm positioned. I did start at platinum and then I jumped to enterprise when they released this level. Enterprise at that level is $500 one time, not 5,000, and you pay a $50 admin fee. All right, now once you pay this, you never pay anything else again. You're eligible to earn at this level, the 250, the 125, and the 25. People can come in at any level, and you're positioned to earn at those levels. All right, so I love this program. Again, one time. So let's go over it. Fee, one-time fee. Okay. Instant commission, so you get paid instantly. All right. No monthly fees. All right. Now, what sets us apart over here? Oh, wait, no lotions, potions, and pills or rank runs. And our product is 100% digital. All right. Anywhere we have our phone or our computer, we can run our business. So let me take you into the back office. And what I first want to show you is today's the 23rd. Yesterday was the 22nd. I had $500 come in. The day before that I had 250 come in. All right. This total is not correct because it did not add in my 500. So from a one-time 125, and then I recently upgraded to 500. So for like 625 that I paid. Well, if you come in now at 500, because see, this is why I tell people, do not, you can come in whatever level you want, but come in at the highest level you can afford, because you're going to pay more rather than, just coming at the highest level that you could have. Okay. But anyways, from initial investment, this is what I've made at 500 to that. So I've made over $7,000 from a one-time initial investment. That's amazing. So here's the thing that I want people to know. I want people to know that this is not just hype. We offer actual products. Okay, so let me show you something. At every level, enterprise, diamond, platinum, and gold, there are digital education products that are in the back office. So when people buy a level, are buying at a level, they're getting the digital products that are here to teach them how to market online. But then they're also getting the reseller license to go out and make those commissions. That's what they get. So if you come in an enterprise, you position yourself to make commissions at all these levels underneath. All right. So let's just go back here so you can see what the levels are. All right. So there's the power of execution. There's growth mindset. There's how to systemize your business, modern day video marketing. This is so amazing right here. There's production creation. Now at the, where was I? Let's go to the diamond level because there's some courses that I wanted to kind of point out. Now, mind you, get access to all this stuff. Here's what I was at. I'm excited for people to get access to that 10K blueprint. Hello. If you wanted to start an e-commerce business, right here, this is going to teach you how to do that. And this Facebook group mastery is dope. So, and this one is, see, there's a lot of marketers who do not know how to use Facebook effectively. So that's also exciting. Oh, look, my team, she's right underneath me. Charlene just made a $25 commission. I got to shoot her congratulations. All right. Let's go down to platinum. All right. This right here. See, here's the thing. YouTube is one of the biggest search engines in the world. This is going to teach you how to use that and make money. Okay. In addition, Facebook and Instagram training right there. All right. And then at the gold level, there are pre-written ads. Boom. People say, I don't know how to market online. Yes, you do when you're with this program, because there are pre-written ads in your back office and you can use those ads. Okay. Now, on my team, I show you how to use those a way that is very effective that I've created. There's an ad copy cheat sheet for Facebook. There's Facebook groups cheat sheet video. There's 50 ways to promote any business, and then there's mindset training. All right, which is really, really important, because if you don't believe that people will invest in your business, then they won't, because you don't believe in your business, so you're gonna project that onto your business, and then not gonna promote. You're gonna be timid when people approach you. You know what I mean? Like, mindset is everything. And I'm not saying it's easy, because I've been there before, struggling online, dumping a whole bunch of money into traffic, failing. But you know what? I'm grateful at this point where I am now, because failing taught me a whole lot, so that now I can position my team and help them win. And that's what I get excited to help people do. So what I just want to do really quickly is I want to take you into our proof group. I didn't want to make this too long. And I want to just take you into our proof group, because I just want you to see all the people who are winning, just in general. And then I'm gonna wrap it up by just kind of telling you what you get when you partner with, my tribe, because it really is a tribe. I think my computer froze a little bit. All right, there we go. So let's get into it. You ever just want to just like slap your computer, like, stop it? Yeah, I want to do that right now. All right, we're in here. We're in this piece. Oh, I got to approve all these people today. So let's see. So you can see all these people, they're welcoming people. This is actually my teammate that's welcoming people. And I want to show you something. My team is crushing the leaderboard. Okay, so I'm gonna scroll down. This is my teammate here. And it's because that I created a blueprint, born out of my constant failure online, where I was able to teach them what not to do and what actually to do. And they're crushing it. So I'm gonna take you through the leaderboard, which is actually in the support group. So let me go there. But let me just show you a couple more. Just scrolling through people having results. This is my teammate here, Savella. And she just welcome. She just got a $125 commission, and she's in our tribe. Who is this? Howie. Yep. Yeah. So I could keep going. Oh, she got another 125. Go ahead, girl. See, my team is crushing it. So, here's the leaderboard. So this is what I was trying to show you. So the leaderboard came out the other day. What in the world? Cannot scroll. I'm having a lot of technical difficulties. All right, so I am number 3 on the leaderboard. Boom, boom, all time, last 30 days. Number 2, last 7 days. Last week I made, last week I cried so much, because it wasn't about the money. It was because my take-home pay, I'm gonna cry. Every time I talk about it, it just made me cry. My net take-home pay, my job, when I was teaching, I made more in a week. I brought home $2,500 in 1 week. That's just, mind blown. Like, that just demonstrated to me the power of this program. Yeah. So, all time, last 30 days, last 7 days. I forgot where it was. My brain hurts. My teammate Savella is number 8 here of all-time earner. She's been applying the blueprint. She's number 7 in the last 30 days. And then James Famba, who's also on my team underneath me, and he's number 8 here. So he's crushing it as well. And I'm so proud of my team. There goes Savella again. So we are out here, making things happen for our life, changing, doing things, using this system as a vehicle for ourselves to change our economy, to leverage what we want for ourselves. And it's just been an amazing journey, and I'm really proud of Tanya. She's on my team. She's welcoming people. She knows what to do. And that's what makes me excited. There she goes. Tanya got a sale also, a $25 sale. So that's what gets me excited. So when people come into my team, it's called Boss Empire. They're gonna get a few things from me, and let me just kind of just go over here and kind of type out what you're gonna get. All right. So again, I like helping people when they position themselves to win. Okay. So when you come in at the $125 level or higher, you are gonna get access to my team chat where I just pour lots of knowledge in there. We were up last night at 10 o'clock and I was teaching them YouTube stuff. And it was just a random, like on demand kind of like somebody asked a question. I was like, here's the Zoom link, hop on, and taught them YouTube. So you're going to get access to my team chat. You're going to get access to my blueprint. And that is where I've reverse engineered everything that I do on a daily basis so that you can do it. There's no secret sauce. I don't know if my thing, okay. So that you can get access to it and then you can go out and duplicate it. That's what I want. I want my team to go out there and duplicate it, not be throwing stuff, to the wind and be like, oh, I hope this works. Let's try this. I hope that works. Why waste time and money? All right. When you come in at either the $250 and $500 level, which are the elite levels, you're going to get everything that you get at the 125 level, but you're going to get some bonuses. And that bonus, oh wait, I forgot a bonus. See, I give my team so much stuff, I almost forgot this. I recently created a membership site for my team. All right, for the 125 level. Okay, they have their own membership site. All right. Now, my people at 250 and 500, because they are my elites, they are going to get a separate membership site. And that membership site has everything that the 125 level has, the blueprint, everything they need to know, but it is a surplus of additional free traffic strategies, teaching them everything they need to know. It's also teaching them paid traffic strategies and branding, which, why can I type today? And branding. All right, they get all of that and more. In addition, my $500 people also get a one-on-one with me. Okay, so at the $500, what the baby Jesus, $500 level, fudge, they're gonna get a one-on-one with me. All right, so that's what I do. Is I said, oh my God, I cannot type. I think I'm just so upset about. I'm happy, but I'm upset about crying on film. But anyways, that's what you get when you partner with me. People, I will answer this. People always say, well, can I see the blueprint? And I'm like, no. They're like, well, what's in it? Can't tell you. all I could tell you is look at that leaderboard. My team is crushing it. That's all you need to know. All right, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and check out the comment section below. And let me know what questions I can answer. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.